All right, so here's my van breakdown in less than 60 seconds. Over here, I have my hand tools so that I can get to them quickly and remain working efficiently. There's my hand pump. I keep my water cooler over here. One thing I do is I keep my tools on or in pipes that are attached to my shelving right here, keep them off the floor and easy to get to so I can get to them quickly. I built myself a pipe rack here so that my pipe stays in one little spot here and I can get to it easily and it's not rolling around in the bottom of my van. There's my three-way tool for various types of valves. I'm working out of this box right now, which makes it easy for me to go in and out of, but this isn't usually here. I got my tool bag, the remote that I made over there. The shelves are set up with fittings that are easy to get to. I know where they're all at. They're all organized. That's another section of fittings over there. The little holes inside of the boxes so I can get to them real easily. Over there I keep some other stuff, but the general thing is to keep this nice and clean all the time so I can be efficient.